Hello friends, welcome to this week's episode of Molecular Kitchen. This week we are making palak paneer, and to make palak paneer you need spinach. In my lab I worked with a protein called light harvesting complexes that I obtained from spinach. We blend the spinach for that, and of course we do some kind of purification technique to get the proteins out. Spinach contains carotenoids like we see in carrots, but unlike carrots, spinach is green, and this is because in spinach we have also many types of chlorophylls, which are green of course, and that dominates the color. So I guess enough of talking about spinach. Now let's make palak paneer. For that we need different things. We are using salt, turmeric, cumin seed, ginger paste. We'll use a bit of sugar and chilies, which are rich in capsaicin. Of course, we'll be using paneer. Now we have to make a paste of spinach, but before that, we'll blanch the spinach. Blanching is quickly cooking the vegetable in boiling water. It will remove the raw flavor from the spinach. But if we keep on cooking, the color of spinach will fade. So to stop the cooking process, we'll move the spinach to ice cold water, like this. Now we are making the paste. It looks so beautiful, fantastic. We are adding oil in a pan. We'll add some cumin seed and dry chili. Now ginger paste. Now you have to fry this in oil. We are adding turmeric now. Curcumin in turmeric will also help to retain the bright green color of spinach. Now you're adding the spinach paste. Spinach is a very good source of different kinds of vitamins. For example, vitamin A, C, K, folic acid, etc. Also, it contains many types of minerals that we need in our body. For example, it contains iron, calcium, magnesium, and manganese. However, here is a fun fact. Spinach also contains a good amount of oxalate. Now, oxalate can also bind to the calcium, and by this way it forms insoluble calcium oxalate. In this insoluble form, calcium is not absorbed in our digestive system and gets removed from our body. Also, it is shown that iron in spinach can be complexed by some other chemicals like polyphenols, and therefore it reduces its absorption. Anyway, spinach contains a lot of good amount of beta carotene and other carotenoids, which are quite helpful for our body. These are kind of antioxidants and remove some harmful radicals from our body. Finally, we are adding the paneer. We have to cook it for some time and then we'll be done. Hope you like this video, and thank you all for the support for our videos. If you like our effort, please consider subscribing to our channel and also like and share our videos. palak paneer is ready. See you next week in another video. Bye bye. Take care.